Hello everyone, welcome to Here We Go. In this lesson, let's learn a really fun pattern called the ladder. The basic pattern looks like this. It is black to play, and black's goal is to capture this one marked white stone. So this white stone has two liberties left, right? So if black tries this Atari, then as we've seen before, white can just escape, and there's no way for black to surround these two white stones. So the correct answer has to be this one, right? This move is an Atari on this white stone. And for this white stone to escape, it can only play here. And now these two white stones have two liberties left. And the next move would be this. Again, black achieves Atari, these two white stones. And white can only escape this way. And now, what does black do? Black goes here. Now, white again only has one liberty left. So, white must escape here. And now we can repeat this pattern, right? Like this. This is why we call it a ladder. It's this zigzag pattern where black pushes white all the way to the side, right? And now white cannot escape because if white plays here, it still only has one liberty left, and black can capture all of the white. Or here, alternatively, black can push white to the side, like this. And then white will be all dead. So that is to say, in this pattern, this one white stone is dead. So white should not attempt to escape, right? Because you can be pushed all the way to the side, sacrificing dozens of stones. It's not worth it to escape. Now, what about we add a white stone somewhere here? Can black still capture this white stone using the ladder? Let's try it out. This is all going as planned. But when this ladder meets this white stone, white can connect to this white stone that's already here. And now this white group has 1, 2, and 3 liberties left, meaning black cannot achieve an Atari on this next move. And now what happens is that white has a dozen double Atari points on black, and black will fail because it fails to keep the pressure on white. This is no Atari, right? So white has so many double Atari points on the outside. So black fails when there is a white stone waiting for the ladder. We can say that this white stone right here is a ladder breaking stone because it breaks black's ladder and saves this white stone, even though these two stones are very far apart. Now let's look at a few examples. Please feel free to pause the video and try it out yourselves. On the upper left, we have this pattern, right? These 3 white stones have 2 liberties left. It's important that we play the first correct Atari. If we do this, then this is wrong, because now white has 3 liberties left. So the correct move is this. White escapes. What's the next move? One thing to keep in mind is to avoid the Atari by your opponent. So if black plays here, then white's next move is an Atari on this black stone right here, and this will break the ladder. Therefore, black should Atari from this side, and if white escapes, black keeps the ladder going. And please be aware that there's a white stone here, so black cannot play here because if white goes here, Again, here's an Atari on this black stone, and black will fail. Therefore, it is very important for black to push white to the side. And this way black will succeed. Of course, in a real game situation, if black initiates this ladder, white will have to go somewhere else. Right? White shouldn't try to escape because it cannot. It will be pushed to the side and captured. Now let's look at the pattern on the right. This pattern is really about the direction of the ladder. There are two choices. One is down to the side. But as we'll discover, this white stone right here, is ladder breaking. So black cannot succeed. However, if we try this Atari above, then black can avoid these two white stones on the side and successfully kill the ladder, like this. Therefore, the direction of black's ladder is really important. Last but not least, let's look at the pattern on the lower left. Again, it's a matter of direction. If we try this first, then white achieves an Atari on this black stone. So black will fail. Let's try this. Again, be careful, just like the pattern on the upper left. Black needs to push white all the way to the side. Black plays this, then white achieves an Atari on this black stone, and black will fail. Therefore, black must push white to the side to avoid these two stones playing a role in the ladder. Like this. Of course, in a real game situation, white will not try to escape. White will try to play something on the outside and let black to capture only these two white stones. As a bonus, let's look at this pattern. It is from an ancient Go book, and it forms a beautiful ladder if we play it all out. And it starts from here, right? And the beauty of this pattern is that black can start from either side. You can try it out yourself. White escapes. Right here, you need to be careful not to form an Atari on this stone. Right? If you do this, then this will be an Atari on this black stone, and black will fail. So you have to keep white to this side to make sure white has only two liberties at all times. So black can achieve an Atari on these white stones. And we'll go something like this. Black achieves Atari with every single move as we go around the board. Meanwhile, all the black stones have at least two liberties, or exactly two liberties, and that's all you need. And of course, the end result of every ladder is that the side that's being captured, there are no ladder breaking moves. There's no way to go. This will be an illegal move for white. So there's no way to go. White can play somewhere else, and black can capture all of these white stones. Very cool pattern. So once again, the ladder starts very simple, like this, but it can be very complicated. And it will be something to watch out for as you start playing your own games. Thank you for watching.